This is how you want to hook up your second camera. You'll be getting another AJA unit with the wires on it. You want to put it up here behind your laptop, and you want to put it into the hub here, the USB hub. You plug it in, and then obviously coming out of this side will be the HDMI cord, which will go into the camera. So now you want to go into your laptop and click on the vMix preset, and it'll open up the vMix software. You'll see that because it is a preset, it has already the camera that came with the unit, and the microphone input, and then a slow-mo input. We've preset that. So adding the new camera, you want to go down here to add input down at the left corner, left double click on it, and then you want to come up here and click on camera, and then you go here and you click, and now you'll see that there are two cameras. Once you've plugged it in, it will now register that there are two cameras, and they're listed by UT Vid, and then they have a different number each. The one that is open right now is the first one in, and I mean the one that came with it is 198. The new one that we've just plugged in this case, is 157. Your numbers may be different, but anyway, you want to click on the new one, and then you come down here and you click on OK, and now all of a sudden you see the new camera has shown up. If you'd like to move it over here next to the other camera, you just hold down your left button and drag and drop it over here, and then now you can have both your cameras over here. Of course, this is slow-mo, so don't be confused by what that is. So now you have this camera, which is your original camera, and when you click on it, it comes up here. And so let's say we click on the new one, and you'll see it comes up here. So you left click on it here, you left click on it here, and it puts it over here. But this is what's going out over the air, this green area. And so if you want this to go there, then you can wipe it over there or send it over. And once you see it, this is what everybody's going to see on live stream, or if you're recording. If you want to bring in the other camera and mix it in, you click on it and it puts it over here. Then you can use one of your choices here. You can wipe it, you can see that. And so there, now the other camera's over here. So if you hit wipe again, you'll see this is what they're seeing, and this sets up the next input. So if you another thing about the transitions, you'll see there are several choices right here on transitions. If you click on the little arrow on the right corner, you can change that transition to some other transition. Like here's a cube zoom, and you'll see it has a different approach than to how it does the transition. So you have all the choices there to change that. One of the purposes for the new camera is to inset a scoreboard at a game. So how you adjust that is this way. You'll see on the camera you're going to zoom into the scoreboard with. You click on down here your gearbox, and that opens up the information about the camera. And what you want to do is you want to come over here to position, and you click on position, and now you can see you have all these options. And if you have the let's say we want to just square in on this door over here, so you want to start cropping it, and if you crop it, you'll see if you pull these across, you'll see this will do that, it'll pull that. You come this way down, and then you come this way across, and then you come this way up, and you can just crop around wherever your scoreboard is. And however you need to square it up. Then you can also position it by using these, and you can put it wherever you want on the screen, up or down. You probably want to put it down to the left or right corner. And once you have that, then you click on OK, and now you can see that this is that camera, and I've positioned it down in the right hand corner. And when you want to use it as an overlay to this, you need to go down here and click on any one of these numbers, and once you've clicked on the number, it now is there. So it will stay there as long as you have one of these numbers clicked. If you unclick it, it goes away. If you click it again, it comes back. If you go back to this and you want to reset it, obviously you come back in and there's a choice for reset all. So you click on the reset all and it's back to its normal position.